So one of Elon Musk's many companies, this time XAI, just announced the launch of Colossus, a massive AI training cluster developed by his company, XAI, as I said. And it consists of 100,000 NVIDIA H100 GPUs connected to a single network fabric. Now, an NVIDIA H100 costs tens of thousands of dollars by itself. So 100,000 of these? Yikes. The cluster was built in 122 days and brought online over the Labor Day weekend here in the United States. Colossus is located in Memphis, Tennessee, and Musk claims it's the most powerful AI training system in the world, which is probably accurate right now. Colossus was designed primarily to train XAI's large language model called Grok. It'll be used to train future versions of Grok, starting with Grok 3, and Musk aims to make Grok 3 the most powerful AI by every metric, he said, by December 2024. So we'll see how that works out. The previous version of Grok 2 was trained on about 15,000 GPUs. XAI also has plans to significantly expand Colossus. The system will double in size to 200,000 GPUs in the coming months. This expansion will include 50,000 of NVIDIA's more advanced H200 GPUs. So this is a major step for XAI, and it puts pressure on companies like OpenAI, Google, and others to deliver even more AI systems. We're in a real AI arms race right now. An interesting trend I've noticed is these tech types seem to like to name their products after entities or devices from science fiction stories. Colossus, and I'm sure this wasn't coincidental, was a computer in the 1971 movie, The Foreman Project. There was Colossus was the US's supercomputer, and Guardian, I believe, was the Russian equivalent. And they kind of got together and basically took over the world, or were trying to. I don't remember exactly how the story finished, but it wasn't a nice bedtime tale, as I recall. The other thing with the word Grok for the name of Elon Musk's AI, Grok was a word that was used in the 1961 Robert A. Heinlein novel, Stranger in a Strange Land. And the word Grok is a Martian word in the story, basically meaning to drink, but it has many other meanings as well. It's like when you really intuitively understand somebody and sympathize with them, then you grok them. And it's become popular in back in the 60s, it would be, hey man, I really grok you, And then later it became part of the sort of tech culture where you would grok something if you really got it, So it's just interesting the way they use those things. Yeah, Colossus is definitely an important step. It's massive scale, quite a bit bigger than, I think, Google is the next biggest sort of farm of CPUs that does AI training, and I think it's about 90,000 right now. And as I said, they're talking about Grok being, or the Colossus being 200,000 in the next few months. So, wow. We'll see what happens. Hey, thanks for wasting time with me again, and take care. Bye-bye.